Alright guys, let's go. Could do couple of work, no? Could do little work guys, no? Could do little work. So basically guys, these you mustn't get you have to maximize all the marks on these, alright? So this is what we call substitution. So you're just substituting the value. So since a is -2, sorry for fine writing, we say -2 bracket minus -1, and then we say -2 times -2, because that's what square means, and negative times a negative give us positive. So in the end, this is going to give us 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. And that will be the answer for that one. So guys, you have to get maximum marks from these kind of easy maths, alright? You have to get the maximum marks from these. Something else you have to get the maximum marks for. If they say you have to simplify this, you have to get maximum marks from those also. Alright? What's the answer for that one? We can go up to both 7 guys. No white blurry. It soon come up, man. It soon come up good. Yeah man. Just relax guys, and you guys got this, alright? Just relax and think. What's the answer for that one? We just go through some stuff, guys. We just go through some stuff until 7 o'clock. So we have about 40 minutes for this. Just put in some work. Adjust some miscellaneous. You just have to work with me. He's a man, guys. I work with him to the very end. I just some mistakes, so don't bear with me. So if I get something like this, you just simplify it, right? So you find the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 2 would be 6. 3 into this goes 2 times, so we multiply by 2. 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 5, 10. Alright, next we say 2 into 6, 3. Make sure you put the 3 right here, so. Don't put it over here, so. Because it's a -3. So you're literally multiplying by a -3 now. So that would be 3x. And -3 times 4 will give us -12. We group the like terms, so it's to be 2x minus 3x. Notice I don't change the sign because it's an expression all over 6. And then now we can simplify once we group them. So that would be -x. 10 minus 2, that works out to -2 over 6. And that would be our answer. So guys, you must get maximum marks on these. You have to get maximum marks. Alright, missy persons, I put +2 in the comment section. But remember, the 12 is bigger than the 10. Alright, so we have to maximize these marks, guys. Let's go again. Which other one we have to get maximum marks for? If you get these, you have to get the maximum marks for this. I miss a Bennett on the 2 times, and you can't mess up, guys. Everybody expect to forget one. Let's go. So if you get that, you have to maximize for the marks, guys. Have to. Simplify. How would we simplify that? Simple, right? All we do, we find our LCM, which would be the same thing, the product, and we have x minus 1, right? So we divide this into all of this. It's going to leave this, which is x minus 1. We expand our bracket, 3 times x, 3x, 3 times -1, -3. And then we say same thing, this into this, leave x plus 5. But remember, this is a negative, right? So you're multiplying by -2. So -2 times x is give you -2x, and negative times that give you -10. Group again. So we have 3x minus 2x, we keep the same sign. Minus 3 minus 10 all over x plus 5 and x minus 1. This is not the answer yet, though, you know. So 3 minus 2 will give us 1x. Both of them are negative, so we add them. and then we have x plus 5 over x minus 1, and that now is our answer. So we have touched different type of questions we normally trip up students in exam. Simple questions, but you must maximize them. Alright? Alright, watch here again. If I get this, I have to maximize the marks. Let's go. Work with me, guys. Keep up with me. Keep up with me. So we have 2 bracket x minus 4 equal minus 6. What will be the value of x for this? 2 bracket x minus 2 minus 6. What's the value of x right there? Let's go, let's go. We have few minutes, guys. We have few minutes. Waiting on it. Starting a minute or so. Let's go, let's go. More people can go and like it. 55. X a 5. Oh, 5. AJ is a 5. Yeah, man, turn up your quality, guys. Turn up your quality. I don't know why it's blurry though. Alright, so I see 2. If it quiz is a 2, or if it quiz is a 4. Which is it, Quasi? So we expand the bracket, right? Guys, we don't have much time now, so I'll go through more things. 2 times this gives us 2x. 2 times this gives us negative 4. Remember, it's our positive times are negative, right? And then we're going to group. So this now, we're going to take the inverse of minus 4x, which is negative 6. This is going to be plus 4. I think that's where persons went. Remember, this is a negative and this is a positive. So we take the difference. One is positive, one is negative. So we subtract, hit the bigger sign. 6 plus 4, and then boom. X equal negative 1. Wait, I'm going to try one more of this. Remember, you have to expand the bracket, alright? So make sure you expand the bracket, guys. Let's try one more of this. Tired, you know, guys, but I'm still have to do the work for them. Then I go hold a beard and thing. Yeah, negative 1 is correct. I see that in the comment section. Well done, well done. Let's go, guys, let's go. We have got through as many different type of questions as possible. That's the answer for that one now. 2 times x minus 1 equal negative 8. Guys, just keep calm in the exam and thing, alright? Do your thing. So I mean, believe now. Just do the thing. X equal negative 3. Rihanna, big up yourself. Keisha McLeod, big up yourself. Leon Simpson, it's a negative 3. Life with Chris is a negative 4. Christian, big up yourself. Yeah. Now you have to expand the bracket, right? So let's go. You multiply each term by 2, so it will be 2 times x, 2x, 2 times negative 1, negative 2, and then we have negative 8. So now we want to get x by itself, so we have to get rid of this and also the 2. So we have negative 2, we take the inverse or the opposite of minus a plus, so you have plus 2, and you do that to both sides. So now we are left with 2x equal negative 8 plus 2. Now this, one is negative and one positive. Only time we add them when the signs are the same. Once the signs are different, we subtract. So it will be 2x negative 8, so that gives us minus 6. And then we divide by 2. So guys, sharpen up on that. So x equal negative 3. Sharpen up on that, alright? What about this one? Guys, remember I start touch on Lego, you know? So keep everything fresh in your mind, alright? Probably you guys can watch about this before the actual exam again. What about this time? Suppose we get 3x squared multiplied by 2x to the third divided by 6x to the fourth. How do we approach that? What will be the answer for that? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go. Big up everybody. We come on last night. It was awesome. It was awesome. In the meantime, guys, remember you can go and like the video same way because you don't know, you know. A man wake up and frustrated and afraid, and he can come on. So, you know. Alright, after we do that one here, this is the next one up. This one is the next one up after this. Let's go, let's go. It's so blurry. Wow. Alright, we touch it, guys. Got a 19, touch it. Alright, we could go through the solution. So x squared. Greasy, morning. Yeah, Chris, and thanks. Yeah, man, energy I'm putting it in, guys. A straight A is more all of my students get. All of my subscribers too. Alright, so how we do this? We say we multiply the top first, right? And we multiply the numbers normal, so it will be 3 times 2. But guess what? One time we multiplying and the base is the same, meaning the same letter, we add the powers. So we're now going to say 2, 3, 6, you know. We add the powers. Right? And then we have x to the 4th. We can simplify this. 3 times 2, 6. Work with x. And we add these. Remember, add, we don't multiply them, we add them because the base is the same. So this gives us 5, and then we have 6x over 4. I think somebody said 6x squared 2. This cancel this, so we cancel normal, and then we subtract. So it will be x 5 minus 4, which is x to the 1. So the answer is x to the 1, not x to the square. I think that would probably be an error someone made. What about the next one? 2x minus 3. It's life with crazy, just put it there. Kepler. It is x squared. I'm not sure how you get that. I think you probably say x 2 times 3 is 6 and you subtract 4. No, you're supposed to add the powers, alright? Alright, for this one now, I'm going to show you guys something. We have 2x minus 3. We get rid of this by taking the inverse, which is plus 3. Anything you do to one side, you do to the next side. So 9 plus 3 is 12, and then we divide by 2. Alright? Because we're multiplying here, so we divide. So x is greater than or equal to 6. And if you're asked to draw it, all you do is this. Just draw one line like this. Show them your 0, and just put on 6. Now greater, the value is greater than 6 would be going to your right? Because next you'll have 7, 8, blah, 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 blah. So what you do, you come right here, and then go so. Show them you're going in that direction. However, because you have equal sign, so you include 6, so you block it out. If it was just x greater than 6, then you wouldn't need to block it out. You would just leave it open. Alright? What if you get this time? What if you get something like this? How would you solve that? Let's go. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute match. 1 minute match. Let's go. Why keep getting so blurry? I understand. Why keep getting so blurry, man. Let's go. How do you approach that, guys? Yeah, that realize it kind of blurry. Sharni Seaton, morning, how are you? Hope you guys seeing it now. Wayne, big up yourself same time. Vibes with Lisa said 2. No greater than sign 99. Just 2 alone. Alright. When the live end, guys, you can see it better. So we have -2. So what we have to do it on both sides. Alright? Because remember it's an equation. When you do to one side, you do to the next side. So because we add 2, if we get rid of 2 here, we do it to both sides, right? So this becomes, let's write it out, 2 plus 4 less than x greater than or equal to 6 plus 2. Alright, so 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And then 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So this would be our answer. Alright, so x lies between 6 and 8. That's what it actually means. Alright. What about this one, guys? What if you're asked to transpose? Could you guys transpose if you're asked to transpose? Remember, these are the easy ones that you must get right. Alright. Once these come, you have to maximize your marks on these. Alright, so let's go. We have v is equal to at plus r over 2, and then say make a the subject of the formula. Do that, guys. Do that quick. 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 1 minute maths. 1 minute maths. So we have v equal at plus r, make a the subject of the formula. Thank you all for tuning with me this morning. You know maths in life, guys. So all of my subscribers, we can get one. All of my students, we can get one. Just a mistake. Just a mistake. Yeah, man, you probably need a geometry set to see if you can get a geometry set. If you can get it, that will be good. Alright. So it says make a the subject of the formula. So what we do, guys, remember 1 minute gone. So first we write back it, which is at plus r. Now when, oh, this is 2. When we're finding the subject of the formula, that means we're going to keep a on one side. So we're on the right hand. So we're just keep it on the right hand and get rid of everything and put it on the left. The equal sign separated, right? So at plus r divided by 2. The last thing you do, that's the first thing you attack first. So we divide by 2 last, so we get rid of the 2 by multiplying by 2, which is the opposite of times. And then we have 2v equal at plus r. Now we need to get rid of this plus r. What's the inverse of plus r, or the opposite? And that is minus r. So we have 2v minus r, and that is equal to at. But remember, the objective is to get t by itself, a rather, a by itself. So we need to get rid of the t. This is times, so we simply divide by t, and here we have it. A is equal to 2v minus r over t, and that is our answer. Alright, ensure you guys maximize all of these marks. Alright, also if you get any of this, you must be able to get full marks. If you get any of these, guys, you must get full marks. Let me just show you. These are the easy stuff that you must get full marks. No mistake. I miss up the sign, but do nothing. You have to get full marks on these. So when the more challenging ones and you lose a couple more, it don't matter much because you already maximize the questions. If you get these factorized, you must get them full marks. If you get something like this to factorize, you have to get full marks. You cannot make any mistake. Yo, my screen just get blurry. I don't understand. Is that the camera in a focus? Focus, camera, focus. So what will be the answer for that, guys? 4x squared minus 1. Remember, guys, now come off 7 o'clock so you guys can get the period. So you have about 17 minutes. Maths in a minute. Maths in a minute. Oh, yeah, man. Even if you didn't turn it like that, once you get that, you're good. Good job, guys. Guys, please don't be late for the exam, alright? So Manda said 4x minus 1. But remember, I said x no come 1 to 4 in Manda. So we couldn't do that, you know? Alright. So what we do, we just take the square root of this. And the square root is a difference of 2 squared. What number we multiply by itself give us 2x squared, which is 2x. And what number multiply by itself give us 1, right? Take 1 on either side, so it's 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. That is called a difference of 2 squared. So you check, once you see a negative and you can find the square root of, we could do one more, of both numbers, you know it's a difference of 2 squared. Let's say we have 25x squared minus 49. Let's go. What will be the answer for that? Yeah, man, big up my friend them from Trinidad. Best of luck. Yeah, man, best of luck, man. Best of luck. I believe in you. Let's go. Go and do this, man. Hi, morning. Alright. Let's go, guys. What's when I factorize that, what you get? Still have 15 minutes, guys. Alright, so we say 5x. What somebody left off the x, man. Somebody only put 7 alone. 5 alone. You have to have the x, right? Because remember, x is important in that case. Alright, so Mr. 5x plus 7, 5x plus 7, that would be right. Alright? Just push this by my status. Now, I forgot to put it on my status now, guys. Then come do the maths with me in the morning. Yeah. Alright, so we'll find the square root of this. And we'll find the square root of that, right? Now, which number you multiply by itself? Give you 25, which is 5. And we know, of course, we know, so we have x. Because, you know, don't forget x squared. Only x times x can give you that. And then what number multiply by that, which is 7 squared. Now, you take on either side. So you have the 5x here, 5x there. And then you have a plus and a minus. One more of this, and then we touch something else, alright? As people are messing it up. Let's go, guys. We can't mess up this no more. I forget that one here, right, guys? I forget that one here, right? What are you saying? Let's go. Factorize that one. Exam with it, you know, guys. Exam with it. No mistake. Let's go in there and free my mind to do some work, alright? Go in there and free my mind to do some work. Always. Mindset is to just keep calm, do what you have to do, alright? No need to worry. Alright, so I see 3x plus 4, 3x minus 4, Rogers, and something there. How many marks? Alright, check it at 120 marks, right? Guys, if I get 40 marks, basically, from paper 2, but I don't want to teach you like that, you know. If I get at least 40 marks from paper 2, you're good. In terms of if you ace everything. But at a grade 3 we are talking about. Alright? So you have to aim for at least 190 marks. Alright, very good. We now aim for the minimum, guys. Now my subscribers, you know, what kind of minimum we not think about. Alright, so which number multiply by itself give us 9, which is 3, and then we have x, put to square. Which number multiply by itself give us 16, only 4 can multiply by itself to give us that, alright? So now we put 1 on either side, so we have 3x, and then plus 4 and minus 4. You guys are doing much better, very good, alright? Maths in a minute, guys. Oh, we're not touching no fraction yet. We have to touch fraction, guys. Just in case you don't know. We have to touch fraction, alright? Yeah. So shut the fraction of us. So 3 and 1/5 minus 2 and 1/3 divided by 2/3. We have to touch fraction. No man, if you forget 3, me have bigger plans for you than grade 3. I don't know, for some reason my screen just off. Like a C-sec is the problem, Shut up that fraction there for us, guys. That's the first one you're gonna get. Then we can probably look at a standard form. Akira Sewell, big up yourself. Yeah man, a calculator do it for you. Just punch it in a calculator. Just make sure say you punch your numbers correctly though. That's all, alright? Yeah man, still have a day here now. Guys, I promise you, say I take on to the very end. I mean it when I say that. That's how I am, alright? Maths is an obsession for me. We don't deal with the joke thing. Any student me teach them must know say what I want them to do. Get a straight A. Remember say me have a class already, guys. We get straight A's in a month, The entire class gets straight A. Strictly online. So you must know say if you get straight A's in that, you have to highly motivated. For your students, everybody gets straight A. Alright, we could work it up first. So we have 3, 5, 15 plus 1, 16 over 5 minus 2 times 3, 6 and 1 over 7. So 7 over 3. We find the LCM, which is 15. 5 into 15 goes 3 times. So we multiply this by 3. 3 6 is 18. 3 1 3 and that's 48. 3 into that 5, 7 5, 35. Alright. So now we're gonna subtract, which will get 3 from 41. So we get 13 over 15 for the first part. And then we're gonna divide now. Why it's so blurry? I don't understand, guys. Why it's so blurry? You don't understand. And so my camera working now. What go on? I just definitely want we do nothing today. But we have to do it, So we're gonna write back the first fraction. Still don't do that. Which is 13 over 5. Change it, 13 over 15. Change the division to multiplication, but guess what? We have to flip the fraction. So 3 go over top, and then we can multiply across. 13 times 3 give us 39, and 15 times 2 give us 30. So that can go into it 1 time and 1 over 30. Alright, what if they give you a fraction like this, guys? Would you guys be able to do it? What would be the answer for this? Let's look at this fraction right here. Up here, so me have it. Suppose you go in exam and they give you something like this. How would you guys approach that? 1.5 plus 1 1/3. God got you, guys. God got you. God got you. So, guys, I can't last for the morning at exam, They love me, You can't last for that. We have to aim for the 1, guys, and if the 3 come, just so. Alright, somebody hit it in the comment section. You have to do the division part first. Very good. You have to do the division part first. Alright? So that's how the mindset. Big up Akira. Princess JJ, big up yourself. I'm going to go through the solution now. Let's go, guys. Maths in a minute. We can't subtract a divide, no subtract none of there, divide. So you have to divide and then add. Alright, so you have to do the division part first. I'm going to rub back them here because I don't want people confused. I don't want people confused. Alright? So guys, on your way to school, just go and mess Mr. Bennett channel. Alright, so you have to do the division part first. So you have to divide, right? So we do 1 and 1/3. So 1 times 3, 3 plus 1. So this gives us 4 over 3. Put back the divine sign first. Put back with 2/5. Then we say 4 over 3. We change the division to multiplication. We just do one like that and we have to reciprocate. Alright, so this works out to 20 over 6. We can break it down, to 10 over 3, right? So we can work that part here. 1, 2, 2 plus 1. So we have 3 over 2 plus. We can divide both of them by 2 to reduce it. We can reduce it. Yeah, we can reduce it. So it's going to be 10 over 3. Find our LCM. Once we add in and subtracting, we must find our LCM. Our LCM will be 6. 2 into 6 goes 3 times, so we multiply by 3. 3 into this goes 2 times, so we multiply by 2, which is 10. So we add now, so it's 19 over 6. How many groups of 6 you can get out of that? That will be 3 and 1 over 6 for the final answer. Alright? Guys, when I'm new to my channel, what are I deal with? I forget them here, guys. These are the easy stuff that we have to get right. 6 into that goes 3 times and 1 over 6. Alright? And that will be our answer. No! 10 times 2 not 20. How am I get 10 answer? So this becomes what? 29. So we have all the 2 there. Alright, so 29, 6 4 is 24. So it's 4 times. Don't make that mistake here today, guys. Don't make that mistake here, alright? So let's go again. 2 into this 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 into this 2, 10 2s 20. So I will get 29, 6 4s 24, and that remains of 5 over 6. What Mr. Benita go on with? What Mr. Benita go on with? Let me see if nobody in the comment section. Oh. Thank you. Bala. Thank you for the correction. Use your brain, and you can use a calculator along with your brain, alright? One more fraction, guys. What if they give you something like this? How would you approach this? You get 2 brackets. How would you approach it? So it's 1.5 divided by 2 plus 3.5 plus 4 over 5. Shut up that fast, guys. Alright, I said do the bracket first. Alright, very good. So do it, guys, do it. Work the bracket first and do it now. Tell me the answer. Maths in a minute, maths in a minute. That's what this name, maths in a minute. 1 minute solution. You guys must already know, no? You must already know. Just keep calm in the exam, guys. Somebody said basic maths. Yeah. Still have to get them right in the exam, right? We and some I'm gonna do my best. Alright. So I can work out the bracket first, guys, as you guys said. You guys are correct. So work out each bracket separate and then we add, right? So 1 times 2, that is 2 plus 1, 3 over 2, divide by 2/5. We know the roots already. We just kind of trim down the one. 3, 2, 6, and 1, 7 over 2. And then we have 4 times 7. We just kind of break this first. So we have, I'm clear off this, because I don't want nobody mix up. So we have 3 over 2, right back the first fraction, change this to multiplication, and then we have 5 over 2. Let's go, 3, 5, 15, so it's 15 over 4, plus, we work out this, which is 2 into this 1, 2 into this 2, 7 into this 1, and 1. So basically a 1 whole, so we can just say it's 2. Now we can convert this first. How many groups of 4 we can get out of 15? 4 3 is 12, right? So it's 3 and 3/4. So we had this 3 and 3/4. So our final answer would be 5 and 3/4. And that would be our answer. Alright. Look at this one now, guys. Use a calculator for this. 1, I want you to do the exact value. Then round off 2 decimal places. And then the next thing, standard form. Let's go. Mr. 7 o'clock, I go end. You can go a little bit beyond that, alright? Go all that show now and go school, see what I want. So guys, do the exact value. Guys, you can like the video, see me, you know. Not wrong if you don't like the video, man. Like the video, see me. Alright, so the exact value are 256.39. And guys, forget the exact value, you punch that in your, oh, I see 212. So guys, hold on. When you punch it down the calculator, and the calculator give you 2 different something. I see 256. How you get 256? You baller, or you get 256.93? Shouldn't it be 212? Alright, Karma said. Vibe with Kimara. Alright. No tears, guys, no tears. Only tears of joy today. So when I put it in our calculator, we get 2.563. This is the exact value. We get 1 mark just for do that. Now it's a round off to 2 decimal places. So it means 2 number must come after the decimal point. So we go to the third number, since we have made this. About the 5. If this is less, we drop it. So it will be that. Alright. If this was 5, we'd add 1 and get 7. What about standard form? Right? What is that in standard form? 2 times 10 to the 2. Alright, so forget it to standard form. I could write back the original number first, which is 212.563. Now standard form means you're going to carry it right here. So why? It can only be between 0 and 10. So it can only be 1 point something, 2 point something, 3 point something, 4 point something, 5 point something, 6 point, 7 point something, or 8 point something. So we're going to make 1, 2. So we move 2 place. So it will be 2.12563 times 10 to the number of places that we move. Now we move 2 places. And since we go to the left, it's going to be the same thing. One thing you can know about standard form, when you multiply it, you're supposed to get back this. So you're supposed to get 212 when you multiply it. It will be positive. Because when you're multiplying by 10, by 100, you will move the decimal place 2 times. One more decimal, one more standard form, guys. One more standard form. So, and then something you have to maximize the marks on, guys. I'm just going to give you a whole number. and you find the standard form. 375. Write that in standard form. Let's see if you guys can catch a whole little concept and thing. Those in Guyana and Trinidad supposed to 1 hour left, right? Neymar, big up yourself. Alright guys, so if you want to put that in standard form, as somebody said, this small point is here, so we move 1, 2, so it will be 3.75 times 10 to the number of places we move. Now we move 1, 2 places, so yeah, this will be that. Alright, what about this number guys? Can we put this in standard form? 0.0215, write that in standard form. Let's go. Can we do that in standard form? 0. Alright, Bright Prince J, me soon leave too guys, me soon leave too. Careful, big up yourself. Samantha say 2.15 times 10 to the negative 2. I will have to agree with Samantha. But Dana said 3. Now Dana, remember you're gonna get it to 2.15. You can't have 0.0 because standard form means that it have to be a natural number. So you have to carry it right here. So the first natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you move it 1, 2. So you have to move it that. And because you move it like this, you put 2 places. But you have to check. If you multiply this by 100, you'll get 215. But this number is not 215, so you put negative. Because in the end, you should get back this. And when you multiply by a negative, then you come 2 places. So then you'll get back the original. One more guys. I want to catch the standard form because it's a compound number one, I think. So let's see if you guys can catch it. Some people have to run earlier than some, I just saw it go. You go for yourself. See if we can write this one in standard form, guys, quickly. At least 2 of them. I want you guys to catch the whole principle quickly, alright? Let's see if we can write these 2 in standard form quickly, guys. Before we go, I know we have to go shortly. Yeah, with circuit here, I have to know there's something then. So I see 1.4 times 10 to the 1. Why 4? Not 5, did it? Rashida. So should it be to the positive or to the negative? What determines that? Right? So what you do, move this 1 time because it's going to be 1.25 because it's the first natural number. But move 1 place, so put it to the 1. Now if we should multiply this by 10, we'll get 12.5, right? And the answer should not be 12.5. This you're supposed to get back 0.125. So what we do, we simply say negative. Because when it's negative, we're going to our left. So it's 1.25 to the 10 to the negative 1. What about this one? Hope you guys get it. Alright, 8.56 times 10 to the negative 3. Alright, that girl Mika shall be negative 1, that girl Mika, alright? Cool, that is correct. Alright, so it's 8.56 times 10 to the 3. Also, kilo. Hope you're not kill nobody though. Spence, that is correct. Alright. Now I can see that you guys are ready for your examination. So we have 1, 2, 3. So it's 8.56 times 10 to the negative 3. And that would be our answer. Alright. Let's see if we can get in a different maths. Quickly. The simple ones, guys. We're doing the simple stuff right. That is what we're doing. We look from quite a few topics. Hope you guys remember volume, total surface area, all of them something. Alright. Area of triangle, half the base times the height. Area of circle, and something. Alright? Just remember everything, guys. Matrices, make sure you get all of them marks there. I can run through the multiplication of matrices quickly before we go, because I know you guys still have to go. If we have A times B. What will be the value of A times B, guys? Let's go. Why me camera jumps on? Nine o'clock Jamaica start. Well, you have to go in the exam half an hour before, so the latest you can go in there at 8:30, I think. And you know, say at the whole cohort I do it. I think probably exam start at some of the country already, because at 8 o'clock the day. I don't know if them won't start 10 because R didn't start. I guess them start before. Alright, see there 8:30. No, you have to do all of them in section 2. The teacher will tell you that a compulsory for section 2. Alright, I'm going to shut up this. A times B. Guys, I just keep your brain active and fresh, you know. So when exam, you can do and all do. So guys, me have to run go school too. Big up. I'm going to end it now. Alright, so we have 3 times 6, which is 18. Plus 2 times 1, 2. Remember, it's row by column. Done with row 1. On to column 2 now. 3 times 8, which is 24. 2 times 0, 0. Negative 1 times 6, negative 6. 5 times 1, 5. Negative 1 times 8, negative 8. 5 times 0, 0. We just add now 18 plus 2, which is 20. 24. Negative 1 and negative 8. Quickly, guys, I want you guys to do this. Use the same A equal that. The 3A minus 2B. Let's go. So we have 3A minus 2B. Rashida says she don't understand it. Oh God. You're new to my channel. I do them something over and over and over. Oh God. All you need to put my channel, you know, guys. Just pull through though. Pull through. No receipt business. Just pull through. Life with Kwesi in the calculator with us. Casey said we lost. I can find it back. All we're doing is multiplying each one of them by 3, alright? So look at this. So multiplying everything by 3. So 3 times A. So you put back A, right? and then you minus 2 times b, so everything in b. So what you're doing now is to multiply everything by 3. So 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times that, negative 3. And then 3, 5, 15. Put back your minus and then everything by 2. You must get that now. 2, 6, 12. 2 times 8, 16. 2 ones, 2. And then 2, 0, 0. So now we add the subtract the corresponding ones, them, right? What do I mean by corresponding? The same position. So these are the first and these are the first. So we bring them together. So 9 minus 12. See that, guys? 9 minus 12 here. 6 matrix 16. So we have 6 minus 16. And then we have negative 3 minus 2. And then we have 15 minus 0. You must catch that now. And then we have 9 minus 12, which is 3. 6 minus that, negative 10. This now, both of them negative, so we can add. And then we have 15. And that will be our answer. Come on, guys, we can do better. We can do better. We can do better. Like what I show pretty now. You might give me so much trouble. Hit the like button for that now, guys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. We're going to see if we can do one square. Just in case them want to get smart and bring a square to you guys. So try that one here. B squared minus 2a. Try that one, guys. Quickly. Let's rub off this so anybody can take it out. Let's go, let's go. Come on, we must have literally 1 hour left for exam, you know, so we can't go too fast. We just revise and keep everything fresh. Just remember what you do. With the b square, you multiply b times b. Yeah, you multiply everything with the whole number. So if you get 3 times a, you multiply everything by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 6, 3 1 negative 3, 3 5 15. No league paper not there. Everybody has said that. There's no league paper. What are you talking about? Guys, them something that propaganda. The paper cannot leak. If it leak, everybody feel. Why not pay attention to foolishness when you cannot prepare for the actual exam? You can WhatsApp me 876-549-2161. But no paper no leak, guys. No paper no leak. I lie them at you. You think C-Sec are gonna make them leak the paper? If the paper leak, everybody have to do over a different paper, you know. Everybody feel. What's that thing that goes so? 549-2161. And those people that want to practice and then fail. Right, so with this now, guys, we're gonna be multiplying everything by b. So we have b squared, so it's 6810 multiplied by 6810. So we know, so we have to multiply row by column, and this one now we have 2 times a, so that's 3 2 negative 1 5. We could try to go slower, guys. We're multiplying a b times b, but with matrix it's row by column. So you cut up the first one in rows and the next one in columns. So 6 times 6, 36. So we multiply this, and then 8 times 1, 8. Next, 6 times 8, 48. 8 times 0, 0. 1 times 6, 6. 0 times 1, 0. We'll do the same. 1 times 8, 8. And 0 times 0, 0. Alright? And for this one now, we multiply each by 2. 2 times 3. So we multiply 2 times 3, which is 6. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times negative 1, negative 2, and 2 times 5, 10. So when you see 2 in front of it like this, we just multiply everything by 2. Alright? Let's simplify now. 36 plus 8, 8 and 6 is 14, so that's 44. 48 plus 0, which is 48. 6 plus 0, 6, and then we have 8. But remember, we're going to minus this now. So we minus 6, 4, negative 2, negative 10, right? So we're going to say 44 minus 6, can you add the corresponding ones, or subtract in this case. 48 minus 4, and then you have 6 minus 2, and the final one, 8 minus 10. Can you guys simplify that? I'm going in the comment section. Guys, this is going to be the last one, because I'm going to bed now. But if it leak, then I'll call back everything, you know. That's one thing with people. If it leak and some people fail, then I'll say, yeah. So we subtract, this will give us 8, and this give us minus 2. Alright guys, so all the very best, everyone. The next minute I chip out now. Take care of yourself. Yeah, you need a geometry set, guys. You need a geometry set. Definitely. So carry a geometry set and something. Your pencil. Vibe with Kira. Big up. All the best, guys. So guys, I want to link back later on the video them. Yeah man, bless up Shamar Rogers. Just go get ready, guys. Go in a mind frame. Keep calm. No man, you have to have your own calculator. Yeah man, big up Jordan more. Big up. Make sure you subscribe to that channel, you know, guys. Yeah man, respect. Big up Vision Clark. One love, you know, guys. One love. I'm going to run down my school now. Good luck to everyone. All the very best. I believe in you guys. I believe that you guys will pass. Yeah man, no problem. Big up, big up. Life with crazy. Thank you guys for tuning in. But I free my mind now, guys, and lock down this thing, alright? So me catch you later. I'm going to hold a beard now because I have to go to school. I'm a teacher at a public school. So you don't know. Give them some strength. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys later after the exam, guys. Yeah man, like up the video. I choose it on. Zayden. Like up the video for real, man. Thanks, guys. Alright. Appreciate you all, you know. Just keep calm, guys. And do your thing. Respect G-Cus pens. Yeah man, one love, guys. Anyway, then I Caribbean, big up yourself. Anywhere at all today. So Bennett wish you all the very best. Anyway, you're there. Morning, Megan. Hi, what's up? Morning. I feel something up, man. You know, I believe in paper. You see? Oh, I never see it. When I'm on live now, you know, that's why. Hold on, let me see. But Megan, if something can go some, I'm gonna look for where I see it. When I see a text me though. Send it back, Megan. Yeah? Yeah. Alright. Come in now, see now.